Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Apple iPhone 5s smartphone was launched in September 2013. The phone comes with 4-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 640 pixels by 1136 pixels at a PPI of 326 pixels per inch. The Apple iPhone 5 is powered by 1.3 GHz dual-core Apple A7 64-bit ARM V8 processor, and it comes with 1 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the phone cameras are concerned, the Apple 5s packs of 8 megapixel primary camera on the rear and 1.2 megapixel front camera for shooter selfies. The Apple 5s runs with iOS 7 and is powered by 1570 mAh non-removable battery. It measures height 123.80, width 58.68, and its thickness is 7.6 and weight 112 grams. The iPhone 5s is a single SIM GSM smartphone that accepts a nano SIM connection. Options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, 3G and 4G with support band 4T used by same LTE networks. Sensors of the phone includes compass, magnetometers, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and the others. As you can see, my iPhone has already 5 years old now, but it's still look like new, just brand new. Not a single scratch in this phone. The built-in quality is very good, so not a single scratch in this phone or in display. I am very satisfied with this phone, but sometimes the phone display is getting hang, and the power backup is very low. So just one time for this phone, I just satisfied with my phone.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?